Scientists all over the world are searching for ways to stop mosquitoes from spreading disease. But what if a common bacteria in mosquitoes is part of the answer? Researchers at Vanderbilt are working on a solution using this bacteria, Wolbachia. Wolbachia is a naturally occurring parasite and already infects more than 40% of all insects worldwide. When it infects insects like mosquitoes, it affects them in two different ways. One, it changes how they reproduce. If Wolbachia-infected males mate with uninfected females, most of the eggs die. But when the male and female are both infected, the eggs live and the offspring carry Wolbachia. So within a few generations, this overachieving bacterium can spread throughout an entire insect population. 2. Wolbachia prevents human disease viruses like dengue and Zika from reproducing inside their mosquito hosts and prevents mosquitoes from spreading them to humans when they bite. Scientists at Vanderbilt made an amazing discovery that could harness the power of this Wolbachia bacteria. They identified 2 genes responsible for Wolbachia's unusual power to cause infertility in uninfected hosts, a power that biologists call CI, which is short for cytoplasmic incompatibility. The researchers found that the more copies of these CI genes that Wolbachia carries, the more powerful the lethal effect it produces and the faster it can spread. They found that they can insert these genes directly into the genome of an insect host and produce the same CI effect without the bacteria being present. These discoveries raise the possibility of 2 approaches for controlling disease-carrying mosquitoes. One approach would introduce male mosquitoes carrying the genes into a natural population. Once they mate with females, their eggs would die, causing the disease-carrying mosquito population to crash. The second approach exploits Wolbachia's mysterious ability to suppress dengue and Zika viruses. The strategy is to release both male and female mosquitoes carrying a strain of Wolbachia with added CI genes that would spread more rapidly through mosquitoes in areas where these diseases are endemic, transforming the disease carriers into a stable, virus-resistant population and significantly reduce disease transmission. Since Wolbachia is a natural bacteria that already infects almost half of the world's insect species, these approaches would be safer and have fewer environmental side effects than insecticides and traditional pest control strategies. Understanding Wolbachia better and harnessing the power of the CI genes that are the secret for much of its success can potentially prevent disease in tens of millions of people and dramatically increase food production. The scientists who discovered Wolbachia almost a century ago would be astonished to know just how far the biology of this tiny bacterium has come.